body will die, you will also die, you don't know when, prepare. Like the scouts say, Boy Scouts, prepare. Yeah. At a certain time, we breathe out 3 times very far, and the third time we don't breathe in again. And then they say, no, he's dead. And then a white light that we actually got from the sperm of our father begins to move down through the center of our body to the heart level. It takes a quarter of an hour. We hear a sound like hung going down through the body. We see a clear light. And 33 kinds of anger become a great clarity and memory and so on. And then when that has arrived at the heart level in the center of the body, then a red light comes up from 4 fingers below the navel. And this then begins to move up. And on the way up, then we hear a sound like ah, going up, down was hung, up was ah. And we see a very strong red light, and 40 kinds of feelings having to do with desire becomes immense fulfillment, great, great bliss. So half an hour after the last breath, these 2 energies come together at the heart center. And when that happens, then first there is just a state of awareness. One is aware, but there is no object. And then after that, then an immense clear light comes in, and usually people cannot hold it. If they haven't meditated a lot, if they're not strongly aware, then, people become unconscious for 3 days and nights. And then when they wake up, the subconscious impressions come up. First, there's a week where they don't want to admit that they're dead, right? And then after that, 10 days after dying, they do notice, I am actually dead. And then after that, they move into what we call the bardo. And here then we have the beginning of the next life. Pova is a way to use this process. We learn when the time comes to die already before we have completely left and lost contact with the body. We learn to send the mind out and go to a pure land. I mean, simply avoid all the different processes of dying. And it's effective, and I've given it to 100,000 people around the world since '87. Fear of death disappears, and things become meaningful, and one can help others when they die, and there are a lot of good things with Pova. The great big spook, behind everything, death and so on, suddenly it's gone, right? One begins to think of death as the beginning of the next life, and it really gets a big spook out of a lot of people's minds, and that's important. And one goes to the pure realm, one goes to a state of great bliss, where all different desires, and wishes are totally fulfilled on a beyond personal level. And here also the idea of being an existing separate quality away from the totality is also dissolved. And this means there's no falling down again.